We are now trying the Swisher Sweets Peach. Okay, 2 for 99 cents. Like I said, I already ripped the top off, but I have not yet gotten a smell on this. Okay, yeah, it's peach. It doesn't quite smell as strong as some of the other ones, which is a little surprising. But anyway, let's get right into this sucker. Okay, so we got a definitely flat end and a not so flat end. We'll do the old taste test again. Okay, the more rounded end tastes a little bit sweeter. Probably the end I'm supposed to smoke. Not that it really matters with these things. So here we go. Get ready for the ride. Come on, match. Alright. Bits of tobacco in your mouth. That's the name of the game with gas station cigars. The peach is like, I could taste the flavoring, but not only is it not strongly flavored like peach, it's pretty subtle, but the actual peach flavor is not good. When I think of like artificial peach, I think of like peach rings. Those peach rings, the candy, you know, it's covered in sugar. It's like half orange, half yellow, real chewy. Those things are good. If you've never had those, worth checking out. Of course, the green apple ones are better, but that's what I was hoping it would taste like. And it doesn't. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. Oh. Okay, so I mean, like, the flavoring is there. It's just I don't like the peach. I like peach. I'm pretty easy to please as far as flavors. Like, if you're talking about lollipops or ices or whatever, where there's like a plethora of flavors, I was never picky. You know, candy, any type of food. Hey, what flavor you want? It doesn't matter. I mean, sometimes I'm in a certain mood. Sometimes I want cherry or blue raspberry or orange or banana or lemon or whatever. You don't need me sitting here telling you 50 different flavors. You know, but like, I like them all. So I'm fine with peach as long as it's good peach. This is not a good peach. Not at all. I'm pretty offended. It tastes offensive. It's not good. The tobacco is actually starting to come through already. You must have heard that, right? These squirrels are going nuts for each other. Do-dooch. You get it? I think they're just playing, though. You know, scrolling around. I don't like this. I don't like it at all. I'm going to stay on camera here because I'm probably not even going to finish this. I don't see it changing for the better. Cheap or not, I don't think I've ever smoked a cigar, didn't like the first couple minutes, and then it got better. I'm like, oh my god, thank god I kept smoking this. It's so good now. No. Some cigars, I mean, have flavor transitions and maybe you have a preference, but generally speaking, if I don't like it right off the bat, it usually doesn't get better. I don't remember that ever happening with any cigar. So I'm going to assume this is only going to get worse and worse. But I'll hang in there for a couple more seconds. For you guys. I'm doing it for you guys. That's why I'm smoking a gas station cigar here. It's for you. Some of you asked for it. Some of you didn't ask for it. Some of you are like, God, why are you doing that? I don't know. I don't know why I'm doing it. I'm not enjoying it. I'll give this thing, it's not good. Ugh. Bits of tobacco. I'll give it about 3 more puffs. I'm waiting a couple seconds here too. Make sure it's smoking cool. It's not overheating, because if you keep puffing on any cigar, it's going to overheat and it's really going to taste like crap. So I'm going to give it a second or two and we'll try it again. 3 puffs, 3 strikes, and then that's it. It's out. So, yeah. Beautiful day out. Absolutely beautiful. Waited a long time for summer. I don't know, it felt like forever. But it's finally here now. And I'm spending some time smoking a gas station cigar. Alright, here we go. Puff number 1. Strike! This is not going to get better. I know it's not going to get better. And by the way, like I was timing some of these cigarillos. They're all within like 2 or 3 minutes of each other. Like I think the fastest one was like 7 or 8 minutes, and the longest one's like 15 or 16 minutes. They're short smokes. They're lightly packed. You know, chopped tobacco. It burns relatively fast with the tobacco in it, anyway. So these are quick little smoke break cigarillos. We don't feel it's necessary to time this one, because this one's definitely not going to last that long. Alright, going in for number 2. What do you think? Take your bets down below. No, no good. Strike 2. More tobacco. It's really not good. That's it. I mean, I got one more strike. Alright. This is it. If I'm not wowed now, I'll never be wowed. Yeah. No good. 3 strikes, it's out. Ugh. That is gross. That is gross. Probably one of the worst ones. The Swisher Sweets Peach. No good. Don't do it. Ugh. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. I'm a little goofy in the video. I'm just having fun. And I feel like doing something productive, so maybe I'll do some yard work. Even though it's getting late and the sun's going down, maybe I get an hour of yard work in. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you soon. Take care.